Hello, welcome back to Sean and Sarah Jane Travel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can book a specialty dining restaurant before your cruise. It's always exciting on the run up to a cruise, and you're wondering about what you're going to pick to dine, where you're going to pick to dine, and all the lovely food that you're going to eat. If you fancy a specialty restaurant, it's advisable to do it in advance. And Sarah Jane is going to talk you through it now.
Have you ever wondered how to book your specialty restaurants on P&O? Well, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it. Firstly, you need to go to the website and click on sign in. Then you need to scroll down to manage my booking, and then it will come to a page which you will have to fill out with your reference number and your personal details. Once you've logged in, you click on Manage My Booking. Next thing, you need to scroll down until it says Dine-in, View Dining Options, and you click on the View Dining Options button. Then you'll come across the dine-in page. So if you scroll down until you reach the restaurant that you wish to book, on this occasion we are going to look at the afternoon tea at the Epicurean. So we have found the afternoon tea at the Epicurean, and then you click on Book Now. Once you've clicked Book Now, it will come to the page and you need to select how many people the table is for. You can book up to 6 people. It will always ask if you require a wheelchair seat, and it will always select no. So if you would like one, you just select the yes button. Next, you will need to select your date. So all the dates for your cruise will come up, and you just select whichever date out of the whole cruise that you would like to go to that restaurant. Next, you need to select the time. So on this occasion, there is 2 time slots, 3 o'clock and 3:30, and we're going to click on the 3:30 button. So once you've done that, it will come to a page and it will ask you to add to the basket. So after you've added it to the basket, it will show your basket and it will take off any discount that you have, your loyalty discount, and you click on checkout. So the final stage after clicking checkout is paying. So you pop in your payment details and click buy, and that is how to book your restaurants on P&O. You always get an email to confirm your booking, and if you change your mind up to 3 days before your cruise, you can change your mind, you can cancel it, you can amend it, all by logging in the same way. So that's it. They're all booked. So hope you enjoyed my video and it helped you understand the full procedure of how to book the restaurant before you go on your cruise.